I just wake up. Madonna's good morning. I just wake up and I go share something with you now. Is it sometimes our mind hear things and we think say our mind? Friday, me I drive, go somewhere, and when I come out of the car, like when I open the car door, me come out of the car, Madonna, it's good morning. It's just something more I share with you, right? And sometimes gotta talk to where we not listen. Friday me drive go somewhere, right? And when I come out of my car, me have my handbag and one bag on the passenger seat and me go around there. And it's like something literally stopped me. When me open the door, it stopped me, but it's like me just slow down. Because something just hit me in my head. And sometimes gotta talk to me don't answer. I gotta tell her exactly what come in my head. It said the money where you earn right there now. I was not even think about it. It said look at money where you earn on Facebook. Use it by 6 bag and 6 pair of shoes and give it to your supporters. That is what it say now. That is why it come to my mind. Because you can't live without the little money where you get on Facebook. Maybe me have to go make up the money because I know not much. If you buy 6 bag and 6 shoes. Yeah, you can get it, but me don't want to get something where I go broke out in a 1 month. So maybe me have to go put one little chop and span it, you know, make it up. And as me say, I don't know much to buy whatever. Cause maybe that would have buy. When me buy a bag for my niece them last year and shoes, I actually spend that money for the 2 of them. So for sure you say I don't know big money for buy a bag and shoes. I spend that money for the 2 of them for buy a bag and shoes. So for sure you say I don't big money. But it can stretch. Cause me get them quality will for last them for the whole year. But that money can stretch and buy it. If me really go through and go look, you know. But I'm just saying this to say that sometimes God share with me. God is giving and kind and caring. And him said, it's like, it never stopped there. The people that on your page that support you. You see when me create my Facebook page, me talk it in an early video. Say, every single month, when me start earning something, every single month me I go choose and give me supporters 10%. Just choose somebody from it. Sometimes me do what me feel like for do, because 10% would have been very little to send to somebody. But I'm just saying that money would have say my page grow. This was always something that in me. From me start me YouTube, me talk it pan there. If you not search me YouTube when me just start, it depend there. Me's not a selfish person and me's not a mean person. And me we have me loss and give it away. But at the same time, me wise up now, me no fool. Me not go have me loss and just give it away so. You understand? Me actually give away my mortgage money already and don't know where it come from. But by the time I'm ready to pay the mortgage, God provide for me. So me follow my heart and people can be abusive. So not because you hear me say that no. And please you not inbox me and you not text me about nothing because me have a whole heap of message. I have a whole heap of message where people ask me, and people want me to donate to them charity for back to school. I already donate to a few and I can't do no more. But that little money here when me get, me I go choose 3 mothers, 3 single mother from half of my page. Me already choose them from Friday because they had them name come up in my head. And me I go use that money and me I go stretch it, me I go go to the mall, me I go do a little video. And because of Facebook and because me say that when me just start the page, me I go make it be transparent. Me not go tell you who me I give it to, but me I go show you the bag them. And they are from my page. If them want to say or them get it, it's up to them. But me just tell you because it's the truth. And trust me, them that Jamaica, all 3 of them that Jamaica. But them support my page, them always they over there. If it's a mother here from Jamaica or wherever, me know say as bad as thing meant to be them can't get them stuff there. So me wanna choose somebody from here, me more choose somebody from yard, you know? Cause you know how the situation is, I've been there. At least me know say since me come here, me not hungry. I will if I hungry me be a yard. So me know what it is. And when you're a single mother with no college degree, it's harder. So if me can buy 1 bag for somebody, me I go buy it. And as me say, please don't inbox me. Because I follow my heart and my spirit. Let me work with it. Don't inbox me because if you don't follow for inbox me and me follow you, me turn papa. Me cannot do it. Remember, say me not rich. But as the voice said to me, you'd have survived without the Facebook. Me I go tell you something. 10 story in a one. Me did that home for 3 years, never that work. And things was hard. And I just something me I share with you know. Me not see my father house fee. I see my father house fee. Maybe about 6-7 years. And me say to God, say, God, me beg somebody go down there go video it. And me say, God, nobody no feel live so. And me say, you know me tell us I don't want to work because I grow my business. And I don't want to go work for nobody. So me I share with you personally, you know. And me say if me get a work today, my bills them did have struggle already. So them would have struggle until me finish renovate my father's house. Me have witness. Did you know that tomorrow, like me said to them, I talk to him like me I talk to you? Did you know that tomorrow morning somebody called me and said they have a work for me? And that work I work, and me send that money go to Jamaica. Go take out my father's roofing, change out what we change out, tile out in room and make a little kitchen and a bathroom. Dash where whole line furniture them. Buy new bed, new dresser, new combo robe, new. Oh my God. I have a video, me I go share it. But it's still bad. But that's where me I come from. And when I say this to say that, when God attack and when you don't make promises, do it. Don't be selfish. Sometimes God tell you if you do something in your head and you don't do it. And sometimes you promise say you're going to do something in your head and you don't do it. And you're frightened to see how you lose everything what you have. So, God is love and God is giving. And you must share. Me lick down my father house, fix it up, renovate it, take out the tile them, tile it out with ceramic tile, pretty when it done. Pretty. Me get video, if you ever see the before and after. It look terrible, so me no post it. But me have the video. If me have a post it, me post it, but me not go post it. Lick it down and renovate it, put on kitchen and veranda upon it. So it just goes to say, I tell you, the amount of money we may have to pay and the amount of bills, I still don't look upon them because this was how me look upon it. But they want 3 years and I never that work. And me that live. So now, me I go spend a couple of months, black out everything same way, and send all of that money, go fix my father's house. Make him live comfortable. Because him and I'm 70. And that me tell myself. So just say this to say that, follow your heart. And when you make promise and you tell God, say you're going to do something, do it. Your reward is out there, you know. Especially with your parents. Your parents, regardless, sometimes they can be an eye, can't feel me one an eye, I'm not telling a lie. If many things come, I can swear to me in bank. Sometimes I have to dodge in call, I'm not going to lie to you, it's the truth. But God understand. God understand when me dodgy. Because me know when if send him, me know. And me not going to make him take me from bank because he always a give away me send him. He might get it. But that no mean say you have to pressure me. But, you know, me not get into that. I'm just saying. Just do the right thing. You're there upon this earth, do the right thing. You understand? You can't give everybody. I could have even one person. God is love. Bless upon yourself. I mean, let me clear the ear too with this. Somebody did tell me one time when we do the video with the money. The first money, like when we give to somebody on my page, they said to me, say, well, I may never give it to one of my family member. Of course, we could have do that. But my family member now they over my Facebook page and support me. They don't. That's why I choose what I do. And as I say, my parents, my page, when I create it for reasons. I have reasons behind it. And I know my family member reasons. So, I follow my heart. I could have. But a stranger, they over my page, I support it. And God knows. Strangers. I have a lot of family. But it's not the people them who close to you support you. It's the people them who you don't know. So don't worry about your family member who don't support you. Just keep doing what you're doing. Because God send the right people to you. And as much as all you and them are blood, that doesn't mean you're not born with nobody. And when you go, you're not go with nobody. So don't worry about it. You just want to see your heart clean towards everybody. That's it. I'm gone again. I'm gone. This time I'm gone. Pick up on yourself, Madonnas.